الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى اما بعد. معزز ناظرین اکرام، آج ہم اس کلپ کے اندر غسل کا بیان کریں گے۔ غسل کی 3 قسمیں ہیں: فرض، سنت اور مستحب۔ غسل 4 مواقع پر انسان پر فرض ہو جاتا ہے۔ غسل فرض ہو جاتا ہے اس شخص کے اوپر جو جنابت کی حالت میں ہو۔ دوسرا، عورت پر فرض ہوتا ہے جب وہ حیض سے پاک ہو۔ تیسرا، غسل عورت پر فرض ہوتا ہے جب وہ نفاس سے پاک ہو۔ اور چوتھا، زندوں پر مردوں کو غسل دینا فرض ہے۔ Dear respected viewers, today we'll be talking about when ghusl becomes farad upon somebody. First of all, having shower, taking bath, ghusl has 3 types: farad, sunnah and mustahab. Today we'll be discussing about when ghusl becomes farad upon a person. There are 4 occasions when ghusl becomes farad upon a person. First of all, ghusl is farad on a person who is in the state of janaba. Allah mentions in the Quran, وَإِن كُنْتُمْ جُنُبًا فَطَّهَّرُوا. When you are in the state of janaba, when you are in the state of full impurity, then take bath, purify yourself. Secondly, ghusl becomes farad upon a woman when her period of menses ends. Her bleeding stops, her period ends. As soon as the period ends, then it becomes farad upon a woman to do ghusl, to take bath and have shower. Regarding this, Allah mentions in the Quran, يَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الْمَحِيضِ قُلْ هُوَ أَذًى فَاعْتَزِلُوا النِّسَاءَ فِي الْمَحِيضِ وَلَا تَقْرَبُوهُنَّ حَتَّى يَطْهُرْنَ. Ya Rasulullah, they come and ask you about haiz, say it is harm, so keep away from your wives during menstruation and do not approach them until they are pure. And also the hadith of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, where Fatima bint Abi Hubaysh came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, is mentioned in Bukhari as well. That is also the evidence as well. Third, ghusl, taking shower, taking bath, becomes farz upon a lady as soon as her postnatal bleeding stops. It's the bleeding which comes after giving birth to a child. There is difference of opinion in this. According to some ulama, it is 7 days. Minimum is 7 days because of the hadith in Kutney of Mu'az radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, in which he states that after 7 days, if you see that the blood has stopped, then you have shower and then you pray. Imam Bukhari rahimahullah writes in his Tarikh that Hazrat Aisha, one woman in Mecca, gave birth to a child and she did not have any postnatal bleeding. She came to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha and she told her that I gave birth to a child but I did not have any postnatal bleeding. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha said that Allah has purified you, have ghusl and pray. Imam Bukhari mentioned this in his Tarikh. Similarly, ulama mention that different opinions have been recorded. According to Ata ibn Abi Rabah, the days of nifas are 60. According to Hasan Basri rahimahullah is 50. The minimum time, according to Imam Shafi, could be a few minutes. So if you look at this narration from Imam Bukhari, that this lady didn't even have a few minutes of bleeding. According to Imam Abu Hanifa, minimum days are 15. According to Imam Abu Yusuf, minimum days are 11. Imam Tirmizi rahimahullah says that Sahaba, Tabi'een, Tabi'a Tabi'een, and most of the ulama and fuqaha have consensus, including Sufyan al-Thawri, Abdullah ibn Mubarak, Shafi'i, Ishaq ibn Rahbe, Abu Hanifa, Imam Abu Yusuf, all of them, all the muhaddithin, all the fuqaha, most of the ulama, they say that the period of nifas, postnatal bleeding, is 40 days. After 40 days, woman will have shower and she will start praying. Wallahu a'lam. Fourth is, it becomes farz upon those who are living to give ghusal to the one who is deceased, but you do not give ghusl to those who are martyrs, shaheed. Dear respected viewers, according to Imam Malik and Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal rahimahullah and their fiqh, somebody who becomes Muslim, a kafir, when he becomes Muslim, it is wajib upon him to do ghusl, faraz upon him to do ghusl as well. But Imam Shafi'i rahimahullah and Imam Abu Hanifa rahimahullah and other fuqaha, they say that it is not faraz upon them, but it is mustahab if they do it, because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not command all those people who became Muslim to do ghusl. Imam Malik and Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal rahimahullah take narration of Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded some of the non-Muslims who accepted Islam to take shower. But on the other side, Imam Abu Hanifa and Imam Shafi'i rahimahullah say that most of the people were not commanded to take shower after they became Muslim, but it is mustahab to take shower. Wallahu a'lam. Allah knows the best. Jazakallah khair for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.